I'm going to walk you through how to turn on vacation responder on Gmail. Now, let's say we're going on vacation and you want to turn on vacation responder. What do? First of all, you log into www.gmail.com. So it will open your Gmail account. And when you do that, next thing you're going to do is to click on the three lines on the top left corner here. And then click on settings up here. And then you see mobile signature and vacation responder. Turn it on by clicking on it, and then you choose a start day and an end day. Let's say I've chosen mine. What do you want to be set when the day starts? You say I am in the Caribbean, or you can just tell them where you are. You can say off work for now, and then when you're back, the end dates, you put in the message you want. I'm back from my vacation. So that's it. I am back from my vacation. Then you can choose who you send response to. People in your contacts, if that's what you want to put it on. Then you apply. And your preference has been saved. And that's it. That is how to turn on vacation responder.